headset manufacturer located just south of Raleigh. We manufacture headsets for a number of different industries, including ground crew, aviation. There's some tactical headsets, things that work with head-mounted displays. And the reason we're at this show is because we have a lot of features that adapt these into the systems used in many of the trainers here, including USB, game controller outputs, side tone that's local to the headset, features that headset companies don't offer. So there are 100 headset builders out there, but we build special crafted product specifically for OEM companies without a min in most cases, so you don't have to order 1,000 or 100 even. We'll do one piece or one adapter. It doesn't even have to be the headset, but we'll make it work directly with your product. So we work directly with people that work in each industry. For example, with camera operators, we have a couple of different reps, manufacturers reps, who work full-time as A1s or V1s in the industry, and we have them test and develop the product until we have exactly what the people that work in the industry need. And so we're doing that also with training and simulation, and that's how we've developed side tone, that's how we developed the USB push-to-talk aspects, because we work directly with people to develop it for that market. So this year at the show, we're demonstrating our 3D printing capability. We do custom mechanical design, custom electrical. You'll find this on the Army PEO Stry booth right behind me. They have a big picture of a gentleman wearing this, which is being used on some of their trainers. We also have a talk-through system, which is new for us this year at the show, where you can hear the surroundings and it cuts out with impact noise. This also is 3D printed. It attaches to arc rail. That's new for us at this show this year. And of course, ground support. As you can see at the logo here, we work with Delta Airlines ground crews.